Hello guys, today I'm gonna solve the last layer of the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started in solving the last layer and discussing the PLL and the OLL properties. So here, if it is making 3, if you have one edge piece around your yellow centerpiece, and here we have to make a cross. If you have one edge piece around your yellow centerpiece or 3 like I have, if you have one, you have to turn your left layer clockwise and do the righty algorithm 2 times, and then turn your front layer 1 time to make the 3 edge to come to 3 edge pieces. Now we have to match all the edge pieces colors to the center pieces like how we match them after making the cross. So here all of them are matched, like here you can see. And now we will do the PLL property. We will R is this and L is this. R U2, then put this face on the back. R U2, R U2, R down, U2, L down, U2, again R down, U2, R up, U2, R down, U2, R down. Now we have made the cross, and now we have to align the edge pieces again. So we will do the soon algorithm, which is R up, U left, R down, U left, R up, U right, U2. Now we have made two edge pieces match on the beside each other. So we will place it on the back right side and do the soon algorithm again. R U left, R down, U left, R U2. And now we have aligned all the edge pieces to their respective center pieces. So now we have to find an corner piece which is in the correct spot. So here this is not in the correct spot because it is blue red. This is not in the correct spot because it is red green. This is not in the correct spot because it is red, orange and green. This is not in the correct spot. So we don't have any corner piece in the correct spot. So we will do the necklace algorithm, which makes at least one corner piece in the same spot. So it is R U left, U right, L U left, R down, U right, L down, U left. So here one corner piece has aligned. So we will do So here 2 corner pieces have aligned but 2 are not. So we will do the OLL parity, which will align all the edge pieces. That it is middle R up, middle R, middle R up, U2, middle R up, upper two layers, middle R up, upper two layers. And now we have to align the edge pieces. So we will do the soon algorithm. And now we will do the soon algorithm again. And now we will align. Look here. Look if any corner piece is in the correct spot. This is in the correct spot, so we will do the necklace, leaving it to the left side. R up, U right, R L up, U L, U left, R down, U right, R left, L down, U left. Now we have to look if any corner pieces align, if any corner pieces in the correct spot. 1, 2, 3. No corner piece in the correct spot. This can take 1 to 2 tries. R up, U right, L up, U left, R down, U right, L down, U left. All the this corner piece is solved, and all the corner pieces are in the correct spot. So we will do flip the cube upside down and do the righty algorithms until one corner piece is solved, and then move on to the next till the whole cube is solved. So here it is one corner piece, so we will do righty algorithms. 1, 2, solved this corner. 1, 2, solve this corner. 1, 2, solve this corner, and our cube is solved. Here, 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 and here. All the sides are solved. So thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.